Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I came out with a video on Thursday and I'm going to come out with another video on Friday, but I'm coming out with a video on Thursday here because it's my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. So I'm going to be going back to my roots and doing a cosplay for all you OG subs out there. So today, since Spider-Man Far From Home came out, I went to go to the premiere, first or second day that came out, I don't remember. It was a really good movie. I loved it so much. It had a lot of the great elements from the first movie, brought it back to the second movie, and with a lot more better stuff in it. It's one of my favorite Marvel movies. A lot of people didn't like it, a lot of people loved it. I was one of the people who loved it. I'm going to be doing something from Far From Home, and I'm going to be doing a Mysterio helmet. Now, Mysterio, since I've seen Far From Home, is probably my favorite villain of all time so far. But I'm going to be using these plastic bowls. I'm going to be cutting them up, and I got one of these for $5 at Walmart. If you want to go pick them up, they have a lot of bowls inside of them. So they got this, and they got a whole bunch of more in here. But I'm just going to be using the biggest one they have in here, so these two. I got two of them, because that's the most circular thing I could find, and that looks really cool. So I'm going to be cutting them up, and I'm going to be kind of gluing them together, and not a lot, but let's get into the build. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so yeah, trim kit. You're doing this by yourself and your kit, have a parent help you. So first, we're gonna be cutting the rim off. So it's completely. So we're gonna be cutting this part off. There. Let's get to that. Just letting you guys know, eye protection is a big must. You need eye protection, okay? Got him. Okay, let's go. One down, two to go. Alright, so I accidentally cracked it, but that's okay. And I finished the other one, so let's get to the other parts of the build, so yeah. Alright, so now it's time to cut the top off. Let's do that. Okay, so after a long time of dremeling, got a whole bunch of pieces. It actually, let me just show you. Here's the bottom piece. I messed up a little bit, as you can tell. Did a lot of sanding, and that happened. But it's just fine. It's just cosplay, bro. It probably would have been a lot easier just to buy something. It's probably a lot cheaper. For stuff, I did not notice this, but you could probably cut these up with scissors, which probably would have been a lot better. But I cut these up with scissors and it came out a lot cleaner. So yeah. Okay, so all I have to do next is, well, glue and then decorate. So yeah. Alright, so I fixed some problems here. All we gotta do is finish up gluing it, and then we have to figure out the collar part. So let's go do that. Alright, you guys, I finished the helmet. I decided to cut the other parts out. It's a little small on my head, as you can see. But what I'm gonna fix that. Here, let me get this off. I'm gonna fix that, and I'm gonna put a rim of craft foam around the edges, kind of like a collar, and to kind of and to kind of make it like come down to my neck, make it a little longer so it kind of fits my neck better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yo, what's up guys? Alright, so I finished spray painting everything. Now what I used Plasti Dip for the first coat, and then for the second coat I used gold metallic spray paint. Okay. So I have this little thing. I made a lot of different parts to it, so you just kind of have to see, kind of thing. I just kind of add random crap to it to get it as close as I can do it. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I finished the other details, all the gold details. It's pretty cool. Just kind of did random crap with it, just kind of wrapped it around, and it looks pretty good. I'm not finished with it yet. I just kind of have to do the inside part, which that'll be a little bit difficult, but I'll keep you updated. Alright, so you guys, so I have gotten some cotton here, and to fill the insides with it, but I'm not really sure if that's enough. I have some, where is it? I have some spray paint here, and I might just spray paint the cotton if that'll work or not. Alright guys, if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys liked it. If you want me to do more, stuff like this, and if you want me to do more cosplays, make sure to comment down below and like this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys go ahead and like the video, you know, subscribe, cause yeah, and yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell for notifications. So see you later. God bless, hang loose, and I'll see you guys later.